how-tos.
This is how we draw uppercut. Now the 4 and the 5 are both uppercuts, but we're going to specifically go over the 4 today. Start with the hook first. All right, if I'm throwing that uppercut, one punch set up the next. All right, looking straight ahead. I'm coming, rotate, 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 rotate. Come straight up as I rotate. I'm pivoting. That right knee is almost touching that left knee again, and I'm coming straight up in between my opponent's guard, coming all the way over, and I'm turning my right hand out. Turning my right hand out. I'll do that again. All right, from this position here, coming straight up. Right arm out, all right? Don't telegraph that punch. Elbow up, coming back, no. You wanna keep it tight, all right? Always remember, keep it tight.